Okay, so your sink is not draining and you hear this noise. You are going to need this tool, which is nothing more than an Allen wrench. So I happen to be able to find the one that came with my disposal. Most garbage disposals have this little Allen wrench that you can use here on the bottom to dislodge it. But before we do that, make sure you unplug your garbage disposal because safety first. And as you can see here, I have it all the way unplugged. Next, you can use some pliers, a screwdriver to kind of feel around and see if there's anything stuck in here. I used my hand. I ended up finding some popcorn kernels a few weeks ago, and it's been stuck. And of course, I forgot and washed the dishes. And so now we're just going to take this tool here, this Allen wrench, put it in the bottom. And as you can hear, it is going to drain. So it drains all the way out. You just move it back and forth to dislodge the garbage disposal. And as you'll see, that fixed it, and that works here. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, until next time.